y'all. Looking to get food here. I don't know.
We had volunteers show up from multiple schools here in the district. Our school counselors, some of our social workers were also able to come volunteer. We had students come, students from University of Arkansas are here volunteering, community members who've come out to volunteer to help pack bags from the pantry with essential items, canned goods, different items here at the pantry that we can give to our families that they can use immediately.
The Treehouse Pantry is built for students. That community partnerships equals community success, and without our community partnerships, we would just be an empty building. So we're so grateful and thankful for the donations, for the monetary donations to our social worker fund that support us supporting families. Because here at the Treehouse Pantry, we're here to remove barriers to a student's academic and social success.